So we're here at the Tehachapi Mountain Trail, or as I guess that's called, the Nuo. But he's probably gonna weenie out. But hopefully they don't. It's 32 degrees.
What is it?
32.
Yeah.
More snow than anticipated. Sure is pretty though.
It's very cold.
Feels great. Say hi to Mom.
Hi, Mom.
A little bit cold with that wind. There's a sign right there.
Oh. Well, that's helpful.
We're about 0.8 miles from the top, and it's gotten pretty steep. I'm breaking trail for them. It's a bit breezy, which makes it cold. Snow's getting a little bit deeper. Oh, sure is pretty though. It's coming. Woo! Ah, that's cold. That is cold. So we turned back 0.4 miles from the top. It was getting pretty windy. And the snow was getting a lot deeper, and since they don't have high profile boots like I do, whoa, shoot. Well, at least I got that on video, but now my butt's wet. And my hand is really cold now. But oh jeez. But yeah, so we had to turn back because otherwise they're gonna freeze their feet off. And it was extremely steep, but oh man, sure is pretty here. Oh wow, look how fast those clouds are moving. That's crazy. What are you doing?
Taking a picture, you taking a picture?
I'm taking video.
Video?
That's right. Oh, it would have been nice to see you fall on your butt then. Yeah, you got my trekking poles. Yes, they are nice. That's why I always bring them.
Oh, found him.
Yep. Just got hit with falling ice. It's raining. Snow and a bunch of other hikes too.
The snow?
Yeah. I mean, another one off the top of my head would be Mill Creek.
Was it snowy like this or just here and there?
It was snowy like this.
Oh, okay.
I mean, maybe not quite as deep, but it definitely had snow.
Did you do a YouTube video for your channel on the hike that you were talking about going waist deep?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's labeled Day Hike to Paiute Pass.
Huh.
I hear the cheeseburger bird again.
Why do you call it the cheeseburger bird?
Well, if you stop and listen, you'll know why. It sounds like it's saying cheeseburger. Watch, just stop for a minute. Oh, ah. Come on. It stopped singing.
Maybe it got hit on the head with some milk.
Maybe. So we're back to the car now. We didn't go all the way, but we did go about 4 miles. So that was fun. Fun and interesting conditions.